Okay.
Can you hear us now?
Very, very interesting start to the show. We just had a catastrophic power loss where we're at. And I see part of the studio is still down because we're missing a light now.
Just that one, I think.
So that's interesting. So this side
darker
is going to
over
be a
there.
little bit darker.
You could see that on the...
Yeah.
That's
There's
fine.
my light. There's my dark hand. So we'll work without it. I don't know if we should restart or not, but we look like we're back on.
Welcome back to the second part of the show.
A little impromptu intermission there. So anyway, I have no idea what you were saying. You were saying something important when all of a sudden you got like abducted.
I don't know. Well, I'll send the Discord again.
That way, when we have catastrophic power loss, we can actually post on Discord that something
we
went
lost
wrong.
power.
Yes.
Okay. Join us on Discord. We do... I can't think of words anymore. I think the power shut down half of my brain.
Okay.
We do a lot of fun things on Discord. We watched some episodes of the Dresden Files this weekend, which I missed part of, but I rewatched them. So now we're good. They're all up in here. I was going to say something else, but now I can't think of what I was going to say.
I saw some Sav was posting some stuff, or Natalia was posting some stuff in the memes section that we got. We have a lot of fun there. And so, yeah, you should join the Discord. We do giveaways here.
Yes.
You have to be part of Discord in order to get the giveaway, because that's really the only way we can send it to you without having to try to exchange like actual personal information and all that jazz. And I don't know, we just have a lot of fun there. So, moving back on.
Moving on to the show, maybe. Okay. Wow. I think the power shut down part of you too. Well, we'll do a small, very small craft. Here are some popsicle sticks. How many did I give you?
How many popsicle sticks do we need? You gave me 5.
Oh, okay, hold on. So, we're doing another popsicle stick and rubber band craft next week. I was going to do it this week, but then I think I have to film something for it beforehand.
Okay.
So next week we are making a paddle boat with popsicle sticks that will paddle itself after you wind up the
Does it
rubber
float?
band. It should. It's popsicle sticks that are wood. They float.
The Titanic was a boat that was supposed to float. That didn't work either, but if it was made out of popsicle sticks, it would.
Probably.
If we're making a paddle boat, it has to float, and it's going to paddle itself.
Yes. Well, I don't know how long it's going to paddle itself. I guess it depends on
Okay,
how...
we're going to get like a big bucket of water down here somehow and do this. Swimming
Okay.
pool.
We
move the desk,
will do it
put a swimming
until
pool right here.
it floats. Okay.
Okay.
So since we did like little weapon things last week, I'm going to make don't know how to word this because I don't want to say anything wrong online.
Don't know how to word it.
Don't know how to word it. Yes. So we are going to put popsicle sticks together. And they create tension when they're together. And if you drop it, it will break apart in all different directions. I think that's the best way I can explain it.
Okay.
Okay.
So the reason the screen is kind of shifted off is not because I wanted to be front and center. It's because I'm trying to make room for chat to kind of fill part of the screen.
It's
So we'll
because he
see.
wants to be front and center.
We'll see how it works.
Sure.
Kind of play with it as we go.
Definitely for the chat. Okay. So you need to make like a sort of A shape with your first 2 popsicle sticks. I don't know if they could see it. Ooh, they could see it if I hold it in front of the back.
Make an A shape.
Oh, man. I never know which way to tilt things when I'm not looking at my own hands. Okay. And then you will put this other popsicle stick at the bottom and cross over. And there should be like a little bit left hanging on the side.
Well, the sticks at the top, which one's in front and which one's behind?
I put the, oh man, if you're looking at it, I put the right one behind the left one. But I don't think it really matters.
So this one's on top, this one's on the bottom. It'll matter if you stack it funny. And then the bottom, and where does the bottom one go?
Behind the popsicle. Oh man, I can't do it while explaining. Okay. We're back. So popsicle sticks. This one will go behind it and like a little bit over.
That's not even English. What?
Don't make fun of me. Come on, man. Hold on. I have to like balance this and like talk. It's not working very well. How did I? Oh, I held it weirdly.
No one knows.
Man. Okay, and then this popsicle stick you will take, and it goes behind the one on the left, and then in front of the one on the left, behind the one that's like going across, and then in front of the one that's on the right. So it should be kind of hard to, oh man, to put behind it because you're kind of bending it in order. In order for it to work, you have to bend a couple popsicle sticks. Okay. Kind of looks like a weird A if you're, I guess it kind of like a star. A wonky star. Hold on.
Okay.
I'm gonna do it again where I messed it up before okay. And now, I don't know if I should drop it on the table. Maybe drop it on the table so they can see it. Just watch out for your eyeballs. Hold on. Safety first, children. Okay. Now I look all. No! I think you have to drop it on the floor. Hold on.
No, I think it's great. This is working just like you planned.
It worked perfectly.
Here we go. And
What? I told you I was going to do that. I broke it by touching it.
Oh no. Okay, so maybe
Hold
let's
on.
do this again. Because I totally have no idea what you just did because I was playing around.
You weren't even paying attention. Maybe you have to spread it out more, which is why it didn't work. Hold on.
Uh-huh.
Whee! I'm gonna drop it on the floor. It worked! You saw it earlier!
I don't know what you're talking
Oh
about.
man, he's just gonna deny it. It was awesome. Now it works. So, okay, you need 4 popsicle sticks.
I have no idea what you did.
Okay, so hold the top part of the popsicle stick with your first finger and your middle finger. And then put the other one behind it and still hold them. Now, take the popsicle stick and put it across and hold it with your other fingers. I'm still
Okay.
gonna throw it on the floor.
Sure. And
Hold on. Patience, young grasshopper. Okay, now take the other popsicle stick and kind of like weave it into the popsicle stick star. And if you do it right, which I did earlier like 6 times, but now that I'm on camera, it's not going to work. You should be able to drop it and it will break apart. See, okay, hold on. I told you.
That was like a loose cannon. We should, you know what we're going to work on?
Got a bloopers.
We're going to work on instant replay because that look on my face had been like, as it exploded in my face.
Like me throwing my catapult halfway across the studio. I broke 2 of them too. It wasn't just like a one-time breaking thing. It was both of them. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That one landed.
Oh, yeah, just... Well, yeah, I can do that. But
Just toss it a little bit.
Yeah.
I think the whole point of it is kind of to toss. Okay,
I think that was an
it
epic
worked.
fail.
It worked. You exploded it at your face, so.
I know, it went like behind
Saw
us
you.
somewhere. Back behind there. Okay.
Yeah, I don't know. Okay. Well, we were gonna make an airplane, and I hope we have time because we tend to like think things are gonna take 5 minutes or 10 minutes, and then it takes us like 20. Hold on, I need to find our example airplane. I also have multiple boats we can try.
Okay.
See the airplane?
Mm-hmm.
Now build it. Okay. I don't know how many popsicle sticks we'll need. I'll give you more. That is your amount. I'm just kidding.
Okay.
We have 1,000 popsicle sticks now.
Okay. Well, we only got 30 minutes.
I know.
40-ish or so.
37. I'll just grab a bunch of extras. Okay. We have popsicle sticks. So, I think basically what they did is they just stacked them on top of each other in like... Hold on. So...
How many are we talking here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, wait. 8, 9, 10. How many did I give you? Here, I'll give you extras.
Okay. So how do we do this first?
Okay, so hold on. You need, I think, 7 for, like, the body of the airplane.
Okay.
So you'll stack them on top of each other and kind of, like, offset them. Like, don't put them right where they line up. I don't know how I'm explaining things today. Hold on. Whee! Okay. So 2 of them, the 2 on the top do have to line up because that's like your window for your airplane.
I'm pretty sure that if you put it all on top of there like that, you're not going to get the wings in because it looks like they're overlapped. Oh, didn't...
No, it looks like they cut it on the bottom. They cut the piece off on the bottom. And then glued it to the bottom. If you look closely, it does. I can't zoom in.
Looks like they're in the middle.
Guys, tell him that I'm right. Because today is National You're Right Day.
I know. That's what I
So
was
I'm right. Not you. Just kidding. I don't know. You could do it however you want. They could be 2 different airplanes. They don't have to be the same.
It could be 2 different airplanes. Well, they're definitely going to be 2 different airplanes. I'm building my own.
Exactly. So build it however you want it to.
Are you gluing this as you go?
I was going to, but I have to make sure I'm doing it right
Is
first.
there a plan, or are we just making airplanes? Wait, do these fly?
Oh, we should try that.
And they'll blow up. Unlike the other blow up thing.
Probably. We'll see how this goes.
So the bottom one goes in or out from the one below above it?
The bottom one goes... Oh, man. I don't know which directions I'm going. Are you just going to Google it?
No.
Come on, man. Check the tape. Okay, so... It's that one.
So...
Okay, so put it on your screen and build it how you think it goes. I think they used like rolled up paper though for like the engines, which I don't have little pieces of paper. Oh, we have pieces of paper just for this. Oh, what? I need to read instructions. It gives us a craft stick frame. It gives us instructions.
Wow.
Ooh, decorative door hanger, notepad holder, flower sticks, craft stick trinket box. I know what we're doing next week. I'm just kidding. We're doing boats. Okay. They also used rolled up paper for the wheels, which I don't have. We'll get
So,
rolled up paper.
I think these are like bigger popsicle sticks. Like those fat ones.
You think they have fat ones?
Yes.
Well, we do not, so we're gonna have to work with what we got, man. Whee!
Okay.
Wait, how many did I say we needed? 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6? Well, I don't have both of those numbers, so hold on. Okay. Doo-doo. Okay, so do you think they cut the bottom out to put the wings in, or glued it that way?
Yep.
That was not an answer. Not the answer I'm looking for.
Yep.
Come on, man. Okay, well, do you want a base for your airplane?
A base.
I don't know, something to glue on top of? Other than that one? Okay, whatever. I guess I have more room than you do, so. You have all the computer stuff. Ah!
I don't think it's...
You might need more glue.
Well,
Okay.
there it goes, ladies and gentlemen.
I'm going to... Whee! Put this popsicle stick on top of this popsicle stick.
I'm gonna glue it right to the plate.
Didn't we do that with all of the... What did we glue to the plate? Oh, it was our birdhouses, and then half of the plate was a birdhouse. I just built in the plate to my birdhouse. It's kind of like a reinforcement to the roof.
Okay.
Not on purpose. Just happy little accidents. Happy little mistakes. Whee! Okay. Now... I think I'm just gonna copy you. Just kidding. Ow.
Okay, so...
Oh, and if you need a Sharpie to make your windows, you can... I have Sharpie.
I didn't realize that we were coloring too.
Of course we're coloring. Why would we not color on a craft show?
I don't have that art skill that most do.
I think I glued this wrong. I glued it wrong. Hold on, guys. What did I glue wrong last time? Was that my catapult where I glued something backwards? Oh no, you glued something backwards. Attach your catapult the wrong way.
Okay, so... Here we go. So it looks kind of like that, I guess? Sort of?
What? Oh, your body of your airplane? Okay.
So...
Oh, I did do it right. I was just holding it the wrong way.
So it kind of like makes kind of like a rounded shape down there.
Yes.
A little like an arrow.
Well, we're redoing it anyway. Woo!
I think that we should have probably...
What?
I don't know. But if you cut out a bottom piece or something...
Okay. Now going the other way. Starring popsicle stick number 4. 5, 4.
5, 4.
45. I could just make up these numbers like they do for the life hacks.
Uh-huh.
Life hack number
I thought you
6.
thought that the life hacks were real numbers.
I said that. I think they still are. But you always say they're made up, so
They
I'll
are
just
made
go
up.
with your made up
It's
one.
clearly made up.
Made upness.
I don't know how to get the wings on here now. And even so, look at that wing is going to be like way out there.
I put that way too far out.
So
I think you're supposed to cut the wings. Or not. Or not. I think I sounded like a robot right there when I was breathing and laughing. I don't know how they did this.
this is going to be like
Like our birdhouses.
funny.
Epic awesomeness. Not a fail at all. Oh no!
Okay, so that's not working.
Man, I don't know why hot glue just gets everywhere. Like literally everywhere. It's kind of like sand.
Yeah,
Sand gets everywhere too.
completely.
Okay.
Now I forgot which one was which. Oh, okay. There you go.
What?
So, check and see if anybody's posting something here.
I haven't seen anything in a while. Whee!
I don't know.
Is the back of their plane even? Hold on. Clicked off to check. No, but theirs looks like it only goes upward, so I don't know what they... Oh,
See,
maybe
my
when they cut it to make
my
the
mistake
wings.
was like, I only was like spotting these on instead of making them like one solid piece.
What did I just do? Okay, hold on.
Making multiple pieces now. So,
Hold on. I am peeling my glue off.
peeling the glue off?
Yes.
Doesn't that kind of defeat the purpose?
Can you cut this in half for me?
What's half?
I don't know, half. Approximately. Doesn't probably have to be exact. We can eyeball it.
Sorry to hear you're having problems.
Oh man, I told you. I think the... Thank you.
So, which one's my solid one?
Whichever one's your solid one.
Okay,
Okay.
so
Guys, if you want to cut popsicle sticks, the Dremel works way better than scissors.
the Dremel works better than scissors for sure.
By a lot.
Okay.
Okay. I think I got it sort of. Keep looking. Okay. I think they cut their wings at an angle to make
Yeah, you can kind of see me behind it as long as the words don't. Although, hey, I can see better without the glasses on. So,
how big do you think? Do 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 do. Whee!
I like how everybody's all excited about whether or not my face is covered.
I think they're trying to cover it.
I appreciate you guys trying to make me look good.
Okay, so if
Oh, and give me a
Flip
heads up on how you like the chat on the screen. If you like it there, or if it's distracting, just let me know and we can make some changes, I guess. So,
how long did I cut this one? Oh man, that's not gonna help.
okay, try on the drill again, or drill. That worked well.
Or not.
There we go.
Oh man.
All right. Wait,
Who's
I lost my
that?
plane. Oh, found it.
Ooh.
Thought I lost it.
I guess I could have done that instead.
So,
Whee!
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I have an idea.
See
Thank
if this
you.
works.
Some Sav, it's good to get input.
What?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Oh man. I don't want to like cut myself. Nope. Yay!
Yay, you did it.
We did it! We did it!
Be
Man,
careful.
okay. Cut my wings. Which one is the same? Oh, look, neither. Oh wait, I figured it out. Okay. Now,
No, I just rolled my plane into the...
glue.
Yes.
Okay. Think I need. We'll just glue that part. Kind of just attach the wings.
Okay. 1, 2.
Okay, I think my wings need to go in closer.
3, 4.
Whee! Okay. My plane is taking forever to dry.
Can you hand me another glue stick? Oh, never mind, I found one.
Yes, yes I can. Okay. Look at my little airplane. Hold on.
I am.
Do, do, do.
Gluing it to the plate now.
Whee!
Okay, let's zoom in.
I'm not done yet, but it's closer. Kind of like rounded right here, and then there's little wings that are angled. Because I'm pretty sure normal plane wings are definitely angled.
Definitely.
Whee! Okay. Hold on. Now I need a color in my window. Because that's part of the fun.
So, I'm curious, anybody watching, have you guys ever built airplane out of popsicle sticks before? And if you have, What kind of planes were they, I guess? Wait, why is the camera on me?
Because you zoomed it in and I was showing them in between. Okay.
Move back out.
Now, gonna draw little windows on my airplane.
Right.
How far do the windows go back? Wow.
Okay.
How far did I draw them? Oh. About the same spot.
About the same spot.
Guess you really can't see it on the camera. No. Okay. Now, we're gonna...
You drew windows?
Yeah, look it. Little windows. With my Sharpie. Oh, I just took the cap off the other side. It's a double-sided Sharpie. I also think there's some hot glue that is now inside the Sharpie. That's okay.
It's exciting.
Okay, I'm gonna make with more popsicle sticks. Not really wheels, but we're gonna figure something out. Hold on. Yeah. Gonna do that. No, that's too little. And then the big wheel. Okay.
Watch your fingers.
No, I'm cutting down.
Be careful with your
Man.
fingers.
Okay. Got one.
So I see some Sav on here chatting. Did you ever build a paper airplane? Or when was the last time you made a paper airplane?
We'll just break it off. Got it. Now I need to color in my wheels. Because I don't have little pieces of paper to fold little wheels. Yay. Okay. Time is it? We have 15 minutes. Okay. We should
Okay.
be able to finish our airplanes.
Think so.
We have 15 minutes.
I haven't done any like excess coloring or anything, but there's mine. Kinda. I feel like it's the wings are slightly different on the both sides, but hey, who cares?
That's okay.
Okay. Wheels.
Yes. They're not actually obviously wheels that are gonna roll because I don't have pieces of paper and I'm pretty sure they
You're
rolled
kind of
up
going
little.
all out on this.
What?
You're kind of going all out on this.
Well, obviously it's a airplane.
So, any tips or pointers? We're kind of quiet here.
Maybe color your wheels before you
Cut it.
cut it because I just colored myself instead of the wheels. Okay. Big wheel goes in front.
Mine's going to be wheelless.
Why did my thing just go off? I don't want to say it because then it's going to go off again.
So,
My phone.
the Rightinger, welcome to the show.
Ooh.
Commander Root and all you guys, welcome back. Right now we're building
Airplanes.
out of popsicle sticks. Welcome to the show. We'll put a little link to our Discord here in the chat. We do quite a bit of fun stuff on Discord.
Ooh, I know you had a surprise. Is that for like the end or?
No, it's on the screen right now.
Oh. That's a boring surprise.
Way to follow along.
Trying to glue wheels and it's not working very well.
I don't think it's going to work right now.
Yes, it will.
Mine is done, and I think it's airworthy.
I don't think they're gonna fly. I think they're just gonna fall.
Nah, it'll fly.
Okay. I'm waiting on you.
Waiting on me.
Yeah, mine's still drying. I still have wheels. I think it's too dense to fly.
Dense?
Yes. It's not lighter than air.
Neither is an airplane.
Yeah, but those are like aerodynamics and all that. I'm pretty sure our craft airplanes are not gonna. Can I see my little wheels on the plane go round and round? Okay. Oh man, hold on. Da-da-ba-da-ba-dow. It's like my theme music because we have 10 minutes. Okay, hold on. I'm coloring. I'm using the wrong side to be coloring. Boop. Boop. What you doing?
Nothing. What are you doing?
Making an airplane, obviously. Pew pew. Okay. Are you trying to make one that actually works?
Nope.
Or are you just showing everybody who... Oh, well, I guess you're really not showing anything.
Making an airplane. What are you making?
Hold on.
Watch your camera. It might glide. That's the whole point.
Okay. Got 10 minutes. Pew. Now. What'd you do?
Nothing. That's...
Look at our creative little engines. They're not round. They are rectangles. But they're still engines. My airplane is complete. Oh, with a bunch of strings attached. Oh, look at. Meow. Oh, I think my wheels are crooked. Okay. Creating a different one?
Trying to make an actual star, but it's blowing it before I can get to
I
it.
know. That was the problem with this one earlier.
Okay.
Nope. Oh, man. Okay. What did I just do? That's not too big at all. Okay. I think you just have to make sure it's like loose so when you toss it, it'll work. Ninja attack. Man, I have to say it right before it works. So, ninja attack. Yes. Man, if only that hit like the applause
Well,
right as it worked, and then it went.
mine's an actual star.
Mine's better. It worked.
Boom.
Ninja star.
Here we go.
Okay. So yours gonna work. You gotta toss it at the.
Boom!
They didn't see that,
They didn't see that,
but it worked.
that was great.
Okay.
Okay.
My little airplane with wheels and windows and engines. I think it's just gonna fall.
Did that one make the video? I don't know if that did or not. We should have zoomed out.
I think it hit right there, so probably.
Okay.
Mine's not gonna work either. I put way too much stuff on mine.
Okay.
Ready? Woo. Well, my airplane landed face up.
Well,
So,
exciting. Now next week we're gonna glue our hands together and see if we can get out of it.
no. But next week we are making a boat that should paddle itself and float. Should float, unless it's like the Titanic and it hits an iceberg and it will go wee.
I'm going to
Or
be
unless-
really disappointed if it doesn't float.
Or if the paddle part of it like throws water onto it, it will probably sink it if you put too much water on it.
How do you keep the paddle from not going like super fast and like all being over within under a second like those wind up cars?
Oh, it's probably gonna do that. I'm pretty sure that's kind of the whole point of the boat. Just
Just watching it. Da-da-da-da-da-da.
oh, look, it's done. Yes.
Okay.
We'll see. I'm gonna make one and then we can have a video of it going in case we can't get water down here.
Looking forward to that exciting little tidbit.
Yes. So, I think we're out of time because we already had like 12 minutes at the beginning of the show that just like, I don't even know if it's going to be part of this video, but that's
Right.
okay.
This coming Thursday on our Good News program, we're going to be giving away a gift card on Amazon gift card. So look forward to that. Tomorrow night at 4 p.m., Dyer is going to be in the studio. Providing we don't have any power losses or anything, we're going to be playing some old school Nintendo games. And then Thursday at 4 p.m. Central, we're going to do the Good News with me.
Yes.
We have some really good stuff I've already read so far. The good news stuff. I I don't know. I enjoy reading them,
There
so
you go.
keep them sending in if you guys can. Go ahead and private message me on the server. And
Speaking of server, is it on? Will said Discord. One more time for the people who weren't here at the beginning, so they can join us on there and
also we have
chat.
this Saturday we're doing another D&D thing at 10 a.m. We're starting a new campaign, maybe a smaller version. I've been looking into a couple of different things, and I know that one of the guys that plays with us, Alex, has already been working on his new character. I'm going to bring my character back from the dead, and we're looking forward to playing some games on Saturday too. So thanks so much for watching, and we hope to see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
I'll see you next week. Adios. That was awesome.
That
My
was awesome.
plane
We
landed.
could do like
face
a
up,
credit
face
scene where
up.
I have like credits rolling or whatever.
Yes. We'll see.
I don't know if that's going to actually do anything because it looks like it didn't do anything at all. Nothing. Nothing at all.
No,
There we go. Boom.
we're just gonna wait. I think everything's just messed up. Well,
I think we're still talking.
I know.
Everything's good. So, looks like the power did a lot more than just
my plane did land face up.
planet.
It worked.
Okay, so
Maybe we should just stare at the camera. Oh man, you turned it off. Just awkwardly stare at the camera till they're done.